back dito po sa Unang Hirit. At syempre, marami na mga challenges na naungusan ni Miss Anna the Hurricane Hulaton. Pero ngayon, ibang klaseng challenge to. The Food Challenge. Ano mga paborito mo na Filipino food?
Oh, you know, I love them all.
Talaga?
Yeah, but my favorite one is sinigang ng pugos.
Okay.
Lumpia.
Lumpia also.
Adobo.
Adobo. Pansit.
Of course.
Pansit. So, sino nagluluto sa house ninyo? Somebody cooks Filipino food in your home?
Oh, yeah. You know, my mom. And she also cooks like nilaga. That's really good.
Oh, that's yummy.
I like the soups. Yeah.
Ah, okay, mga may broth. Oh, this time we've got one of your favorites, okay, which is the sinigang na bangus. And at the same time, of course, this is a big help to Lynn's workout, her arm workout, no? Because this is very heavy. So go ahead. We hope you like the way. Do you like it really, really maasim?
Oh, yeah.
Really sour? You like it really sour? Wala bang ano yan? Wala bang tinik?
Wala naman.
Walang tinik yan? There's more where that came from, huh? Don't worry. This is only your first course for a 7-course meal yata to or something. Susunod naman, aba, ayan. Meron din tayo dyan na isa sa mga paborito mo, which is adobo.
Yes. There you go.
Do you know how to cook it? Do you know how to cook adobo?
A long time ago, before boxing.
Ah.
Now boxing, everything's grilled,
Changed.
steamed.
Ah.
Got some rice? No.
Oo nga. So pag nagtitrain ka ba, you don't eat rice?
Hindi.
Hindi. Pero otherwise, kumakain ka naman ng rice sana.
Opo,
Pero
yeah.
pag training, hindi. Wow.
All protein?
All protein.
Well, that's hard. Yeah.
You don't get into a bad mood because you don't eat rice.
Oh, I do.
You do, no? Aminin ang mga hindi nagkakanin, mainit ang ulo, in fairness.
But if the end
Eto,
point is having
Boppies.
these
Okay,
arms, I'd like to.
Kuya Lar, ayan, bago mo sabihin Kuya Lar kung anong boppies, patikimin muna natin kay Anna.
It's my mom's favorite.
Ah, okay, so you're aware of boppies.
Yeah,
Can she
boppies.
cook boppies? Your mom can also cook boppies.
Opo.
Gusto ko lang malaman kung saan nila nahanap ang mga ingredients para sa boppies sa
Ay,
Amerika,
marami.
ha?
Sa maraming Filipino
meron.
supermarket, no? Like yung Island Pacific.
Ah, meron dyan. So, how, okay naman?
It's very good.
Oh, very good. Ihuli natin ang kanin mamaya. Oh, wait, ito. One of the classics.
I think is it here?
ng
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, sorry. Fishball at tukneneng or kwek-kwek sa iba, tama ba? Kwek-kwek ata pag malaki, no?
Oo.
Tukneneng maliit.
O mini kwek-kwek. Ay, hindi ko na nga nalilito na nga ako eh. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, si Regine naman. Si Regine naman. Hindi ka kumakain.
First time niya makain.
Wow!
Pretty good.
You're pretty game for anything.
Kwek-kwek.
I love food. If it wasn't for boxing,
You just keep... Wow!
Tawa ng tawa si Josh Anduit, oh.
Ay, hindi pa to last but not the least. Yan. Miss Reg, ano naman yan?
Ayan.
Mangga, with bagoong yan.
Bagoong. Ayan.
I love bagoong. Yeah.
Go girl.
Dip it.
Sige, sabayan na natin, Reg.
Pero matindi
Talagang
din yung
ano,
disiplina
Pinoy
ni
na
Ann.
Pinoy kumain
Oh my God.
na-
At saka ang dami niya kung kumuha.
Oo.
Hindi yung
Pinoy
paunti-unti
na Pinoy
lang.
siya kumain.
Oo.
Talaga.
Nagana siya kumain.
Busog na bago dumating
Mare.
sa akin.
Baka machismis ka niya, Mare, kumakain kayong dalawa na ano, ha? na,
Why not?
go!
Ito isang challenge. Ito matindi.
Ang last.
Oh, ayan na.
Because, bakit lahat ng tao na ba? Oh,
Balot
first
with
time.
live fetus. Hindi.
Live fetus. Paano ba ito binubuo?
It's chicken.
It's chicken. Oh, there. I
Oh,
got
there.
you a fresh one.
Whoa, nice. Look at the eyes.
Wow!
Look at the beef.
Oh, masarap. The eyes is still alive. The yellow one is
You
good.
can
The yellow.
put
Are you
salt,
gonna
no?
eat the whole? Wow!
Look at, look at,
Wow!
oh, the baby.
Oh my God!
And the new champion of the world,
Balot siya.
balut eating champion of the world.
Wow!
Thanks, Anna. Wow.
You are amazing.
Amazing.
Look at the water.
Look at those cute baby.
Pati yung bato. Pati yung bato.
Tinira yung
ng
bato,
ano.
mga iga. Tinira yung bato.
Oh my gosh, gali. Oh, sorry, dear. That's for you and your wall. Si Regine yung napainom ng tubig eh.
Ngayon naman, si
Oh my God,
Regine.
oh my God.
Ang kakain ng balot. Go! Go, Reg! Go, Reg! Go, Reg! Go, Reg! Huwag mo kami kaya. Go, Reg! Balot, balot, balot. Yes, yes, kailangan. Kailangan. The challenger from New Manila. Reggie. Oh, naku, tatalsikan mo pa ako. Go, go! Look at the... Oh, smile. Look at the hair.
Go, Red!
Swerte mo ka, nakangiti yan eh. Game. Go, Reggie! Go, Reg! 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 Reg!
Go, Red!
And the new!
Go, Red!
Patay tayo dyan. Ang matigas eh, palot yun.
Huwag yung puti.
Bakit daw
Huwag
matigas?
puti.
Eh, shell yung
yellow
kinain
lang,
mo,
yung
shell.
yellow.
Yolk lang yan, yolk. Yolk.
Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, okay na.
Okay, moving on.
And the winner is Ana.
We move on to the next challenge habang si Regine pupunta muna sa CR sandali. Okay, then meron pa kami ibang challenge. Palakpakan naman para kay Ana the Hurricane.
Hey!
Super game na game. What can I say?
Amerikano, may sabaw na ng balot.
Balot. How was it?
It's good.
It was good, no?
Very good.
Okay naman siya.
It's my first time, so.
Sobrang, ang laki mo kumuha. We were like thinking you'd make tikim-tikim like, alright, gonna taste. You are a champ! Okay, we've got another challenge for you. At ang gagawin namin, ayan, meron kami mga iba't ibang mga Tagalog words dyan. As best as you can.
Yes.
O kung masasabi mo kung ano ang ibig sabihin sa English. If you can translate it in English. Or general idea.
Ay, patay.
Papahirap ng pahirap.
We start with Lynn. Okay. Mayumi.
Mayumi. It's what?
No coche. Ano yan? Pero mga ganyan. Do you have an idea what Mayumi is?
Mayumi.
You know,
Salbahe yan, Mayumi.
at home, there's a young girl. She's Filipina. Her name's Mayumi. She likes to box.
Oh boy.
But
That's not the real Mayumi.
no, but she's
Correct.
very sweet though.
Ayun. Oh, tama.
Very
Mayumi.
sweet.
Very sweet.
Like a
Mayumi,
petal.
no sweet.
Mayumi.
Sweet but
modest.
Modest.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Next, we have this
Modest,
one. Ayan.
Mayabang.
Yabang.
I hear it all the time in Filipino boxing.
Ah.
Mayweather's mayabang.
Tama.
Totoo yan.
Ang iyong paggamit ng term na mayabang.
Oo nga.
Ito naman kay Kuya Lar, irog ko.
I know what ko, like ako means I.
Yeah.
Irog.
Irog. Irog Pasig.
But I hear my grandparents say it all the time.
Oh,
my grandfather was alive.
Irog ko.
Irog.
To each other.
Yeah,
Oh, sweet.
they're very old-fashioned, you know, very traditional. It probably like irog ko, like.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm married.
Ano, Kuya Lar?
My love.
My love.
My love, my love.
So sweet. Your grandparents, irog ko. Nako, ito,
And here?
ang challenge mo dito,
Pakibasa.
you have to read it and try to say it as fast as you can. Oh, boy. Tongue twister challenge.
Be careful if they are CB.
Wow.
Pitumput, pitong
Yeah.
puting pating.
Go, Ana.
Pitumput, pitong puting pating.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh my.
Yes. You can use...
Pitongpot, pitong puting pating.
Great.
Which means,
Great.
Kuya Lar, si Kuya Lar, ano, taga-translate.
77 white shark.
Yeah. All right.
Ba yun?
Last one.
Okay.
Minimikani ko, limoniko ang makina ng minikani-moniko.
Tongue twister.
Bakit manika yun nilagay? Makina ng
Rambam.
manika ni Monica. Manika.
Yung manika.
Ayan.
Minikaniko ni Monica
Ayan.
ang makina
Palapit
ng
na natin.
Ang makina ng Manika.
Minikaniko ni
Ang makina
Monico
ng-
ang makina ng...
Manika?
Manika ni
Manika dapat.
So confusing.
Minikani
Wow.
ko ni Moniko ang makina ng minikani-moniko.
Okay.
All right, best effort.
I'll try.
Minikani ko ni Moniko ang makina ng minikani-moniko.
Kasi
All right.
minikaniko ni Monica si
Best
Minika.
effort.
Okay. Minikani ko ni Monico
Monico?
Yeah.
ang makina ng Manika ni Monica.
Yeah!
kasi
A
that
true
fast.
champ, Anna the Hurricane. Hulatan, maraming salamat.
ang
You have
English niya,
truly
public
done the
service.
game up for
Pinawisan
any
siya.
challenge. Thank you for being here. You're really our idol.
Salamat
Thank
po.
you so much.
No, thank you.
And thank you to
And
GMA
thank you sa GMA
International
Pinoy
for bringing
TV.
Anna the Hurricane Hulatan here sa Philippines. Magbabalik pa unang hirit. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you. Hot.
Thanks, Anna. Congratulations.